Hello and thank you for joining me today at my Carolina homestead. Hello if you're new and welcome back if you're returning. Here in the Carolinas the seasons are changing and I am starting to get a little sniffle. I think it's associated with allergies, but today I'm going to make a flu balm and try to fix that. If you haven't already, click that subscribe button and notification bell so you'll be notified with upcoming videos. If you take this flu balm at the onset of a cold or allergy symptoms, you will be well within 3 days. So I'm going to start off with a cup of warm water, and I'm going to add some raw honey to taste. This is going to be about 1 tablespoon. And the benefits of honey in this recipe is it's an antioxidant, it's antibacterial, it fights cold symptoms, and it also relieves sore and scratchy throats. So I've just added that to the warm water and I'm going to stir that up to dissolve it. Next I'm going to add lemon juice to this recipe. Lemon juice, if you take it regularly, it will help prevent colds and flus. But if you do get sick and you do need to take up the flu balm, then what the honey does along with the cayenne pepper is it reduces your cold symptoms. That's why I'm adding it to this recipe. So I'm adding the equivalent to 1 whole lemon juice, which is about 3 tablespoons. And now I'm going to add turmeric. I am using the powder. You can use raw turmeric or the powder, but if you do use the raw turmeric, you'll have to use triple the amount. So I'm going to use 1 teaspoon of powdered turmeric. So if you have raw, then you will chop that up and use 3 teaspoons. I'm adding the cayenne pepper in, which is going to be 1 teaspoon. And again, that cayenne pepper with the lemon juice is what helps reduce our cold symptoms. And the turmeric is anti-inflammatory and an antioxidant. Now, if you're not a fan of spicy foods, you may need to build a tolerance with your cayenne pepper intake. So for 1 cup of water, you could start with a half a teaspoon if you're not used to eating spicy foods. Next, I'm going to add 2 cloves of garlic. And garlic is the world's most powerful antibiotic. So that is a must when treating cold symptoms. I also do make a garlic tincture that I take for sinus infections, and it works miraculously. So I'm just mincing this garlic really fine to expose as much surface area into the liquid. Now I'm just going to peel and chop some fresh ginger. You just want to grab a couple good knobs of fresh ginger. I like to cut up about a full tablespoon to add to this 1 cup recipe, but you can cut up as much as you'd like. The ginger in this recipe is immune support, so it helps us recover from our sickness much quicker. So I'm just going to slice this up and mince it really fine, just like we did with the garlic. Now I'm just going to add the minced ginger to the recipe, and that's going to be it. This is a very easy recipe to make. Once you've made this, you shake it really well and store it in the fridge for a week. If you're sick, you're going to want to drink a 1/4 cup of this every 4 hours until your symptoms subside. If you want to use this as immune support, then you will take 1.5 ounces every day. Just remember to shake well before you take your flu balm. Thank you for stopping by my Carolina homestead today and watching this video. I really appreciate you all. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please consider doing so. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Thank you for stopping by once again. See you next time and take care.